The main functions of the touch screen are, by replacing the traditional control panel and display instrument, to realize the information exchange between human and the control systems through communication with the control unit PLC, thus conveniently realizing the operation and monitoring of the entire system. Then let's see the forward and reverse operation control process of the motor with PLC and touch screen. In our previous sessions, we learned about how to control the forward and reverse operation of the motor with PLC. Now our main focus is on learning how to control the forward and reverse operation of the motor with the touch screen. Press the forward start button of the touch screen and the motor will start the forward operation. Press the stop button and the motor will stop. Then press the reverse start button of the touch screen and the motor will start reverse operation. Then press the stop button and the motor will stop. Now let's see how to control the forward and reverse operation of the motor with buttons. Press the forward start button of the motor and the motor will start the forward operation. Press the stop button and the motor will stop. Then press the reverse start button and the motor will start reverse operation. Then press the stop button and the motor will stop. The relevant knowledge about the Siemens HMI touch screen. 1. Types of the Siemens HMI touch screens. Abbreviations of the human-machine interfaces of the Siemens HMI touch screen. 1. Operator panel OP177. 2. Touch panel TB177. 3. Multifunction panel MP277. 4. Simplified panel KTP400 KTP900. 5. Comfort panel KP900 TP900. 2. The main functions of HMI human-machine interface devices and the automatic control system. 1. Display. The data information in the production process is displayed in the pictures and diagrams in a dynamic concentrative way. 2. Operation and monitoring. Through the buttons, switches, data input and output fields, graphic views, etc. in the pictures, to control the start and stop of the machine, and to configure and modify the process parameters for the machine, etc. 3. Alarm function. For example, the cooling water temperature cannot be higher than a certain value. When this temperature is exceeded, the automatic alarm system will be triggered. 4. The record archiving function, report printing. 5. Recipe management. To store all process parameters of numerous products at one time into the HMI device, and to call out for loading at any time onto PLC to carry out production according to the current production plan orders. 6. Process the video signals, on-site real-time monitoring. 7. Networking, to realize remote diagnosis and remote maintenance. 3. Terminal blocks of the Siemens HMI touch screens. TP900 Comfort Panel Touchscreen 9-inch, 16 million colors touchscreen LED backlight, 16:9 widescreen display, 12 MB user memory. 2 connection methods are available in practical applications. If there are multiple devices, it is suggested to apply this connection method, to use concentrator to connect PC, PLC, and touchscreen TP900. 4. The following steps have to be completed to realize the forward and reverse operation control of the motor with PLC and touch screen. 1. Establish the project of the forward and reverse operation control of the motor with PLC plus touch screen. 2. Add hardware device PLC and touch screen. 3. Establish the network connection between PLC and HMI. 4. Add PLC variable and write the programs of the forward and reverse operation control of PLC motor. 5. The pictures of the forward and reverse control of the motor with configuration touch screen. 6. Downloading programs and debugging. One touchscreen HMI can communicate with several PLCs at the same time. You can distinguish by the name of PLC, which PLC this variable belongs to. Modify access mode into absolute access in the HMI variable table. Downloading and debugging of the physical device. to download the PLC project onto the actual PLC, to download the HMI project onto the actual HMI, connect PLC with HMI through network cables, and it's okay to operate. Integrated simulation is to simulate the communication data exchange between PLC and HMI. Open the computer control panel, open setting PG, PC interface, assign parameter P at the in-use interface, choose PLCSIM.TCP/IP.1, and at the application access point A, S7 online. Step 7, PLCSIM.TCP/IP.1, confirm. A. Select PLC1 project in the project tree, open Start Simulation, download PLC project onto Simulation PLC. B. Select HMI1 project in the project tree, open Start Simulation, download HMI project onto Simulation HMI. This lesson mainly introduces the basic knowledge of the touchscreen HMI. Next lesson will introduce the design of the forward and reverse operation of the motor control by PLC plus HMI.